Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. Today, we're troubleshooting an electric pressure cooker that has completely lost power. The owner brought it in because the display panel won't light up at all, even when plugged in. As you can see, there's no response from the screen. After opening the base, I discovered that the circuit board is severely damaged. The power chip is covered in mold, which suggests water had seeped in and caused a short circuit. In this video, I'll show you how we repair this burnt power section to get the cooker back in action. Let's get started.